By any means, Save Club does not have to be complicated. Okay. What I worry about whenever something is new, maybe you're presented by email, or maybe you're watching my video, or you're just searching what are the top 5 opportunities in 2025. Save Club's going to pop up. Okay, no doubt about it. If you're already in Save Club, okay, boom, mission accomplished. All right, you were able to take that information in, hopefully do some research, watch a video or two, and then sit back and just say, hey, you know what, this opportunity, I actually saved money without the affiliate side. Okay, if I join Save Club, I'm actually going to save money on things I'm already buying, or things in the future like a flight, a lift, ride to the airport to go to that destination. Okay, I'm speaking just as America right now, because this is going to be a worldwide thing. It already is, but right now, obviously, if you go to the website, you're going to see a ton of U.S. based, okay, destinations, hotels. In my case, I live in Utah. Okay, I live right below big old Mount Olympus, and if I put my zip code in, it shows a lot of local businesses already, which is exciting because I really don't like to travel a lot. And when I do, it's usually just there and back, like it's usually vehicle based. I always find a bike or a truck or a car or something, and I like to fly out, look at it, get it, and bring it back. But as far as traveling, I don't do that as much as I used to, but I do enjoy eating and going to wash my car, going to buy tires. All right, just doing things as a normal person, I guess, would. Shopping for certain foods, okay, insurance for my cars, trucks, bikes, everything is already included and already available with Save Club. So when you hear the word pre-launch, a lot of people are thinking, okay, join now and wait till June 1st to enjoy the savings, okay? And then some of my friends from outside of the country, Asian areas, Africa, down below to Australia, they're like, okay, I noticed when I go in the back office, it's really, just focused on America right now. And I'm like, yeah, no doubt. Okay, you can search. Go into the search bar, and I'm going to show you in a second, and just search like crazy. Okay. Now, this message is just mostly for people that want to pay the $19.97 a month, $20, and just enjoy savings. Try to save yourself 50 to 100 to 150. Do your best to really search for things that you're already buying, but don't go out of your way, because I just got a comment on one of my YouTube videos. Okay, what should I go out of my way to buy so I can be an affiliate and make this rock? And it's like, no, you don't have to buy anything with this opportunity. This is not MLM. This is not where you buy a bottle of shampoo for $80 when it's not even worth $5. Okay? Please don't think that. Okay, so with this video, I want to assure you, during the pre-launch, we are still making money. Okay, I've got over $1,000 coming to me on next pay period, and we get paid every Friday. Guys, I've been doing this just for about a week and a half right now. Okay, and my income's probably going to be $2-3 grand, if not $4 grand, by the time it's next month. Okay, and all I do is just invite you folks to come and look at this opportunity, and just on your own time, see if you do search for deals. Number one, are they available? And if you're in America, there's going to be a lot. Thousands and thousands. You can sit all day and look for deals. Okay? So, during pre-launch, here's my 2 goals with this video. Pre-launch, you can still earn money. Pre-launch is great because most of the world does not know about this opportunity. Even in a month or 2, most of the world's not going to know. Okay? But if you're watching my video and you're not joined, I can't tell you. I can't stress this enough. I can't shout loud enough. You need to join now as an affiliate. Okay? Because for $60, invest it into yourself. Let's teach you. Let's get you comfortable doing something. I love video like this where I can just turn the cam on and talk to you folks. Okay? I get a couple signups. Guys, I got my money back. And I got my tires and all this other stuff. My first month with Save Club, I've saved about $600-700. All right, that covers all my $20 bills for the next 12 months. So just my first month alone as a Save Club member, I've already saved more than 12 times 12 Or I'm sorry, 20 times 12, 200 and something bucks. Okay. So I'm very happy just as a member. I'm hook, line, and sinker sold, slam dunk. That's why I really enjoy Save Club. I think this might be one of my bigger opportunities out of the several I have going on right now. Okay. I do a lot of focus here. You're going to see me do a lot of video. I'm going to do anywhere from 3 to 7 to 10 videos, an hour or a day, or as many as I can. As long as I have an hour or two to kill, I enjoy just talking about Save Club. Okay. I'm a big believer in it because it's pre-launch. I don't have a lot of competition. And I point up here because right when you sign up, you're going to have a big old logo that says Save Club. You will save. I'm pretty sure if you live in America, but if you live in Asia, oh gosh, anywhere around the world, guys, just relax. Okay, listening to our founder, we are adding opportunities worldwide daily. Okay, so by June 1st, we're going to have tens and thousands of opportunities to save money worldwide. But in the next year or two, when we have millions signed up, saving money, you can bet your buns you're going to have a ton of savings over there, Singapore. What's going on, Malaysia? Japan, how are you? Come on over this way a little bit. Come on, England. Let's go up to Greenland. What's going on up there? Let's go down to Iceland. It's more pretty. Okay, we'll go way down low. Let's go to Australia. How about New Guinea and New Zealand? All right, come over here to America. It's summertime soon. We'll work on our tans. Let's go to the pool. I'll buy you drinks. I'm buying. All right, if you're in my downline or you do business with me, I'm buying. I don't care what it costs. All right, because of your belief or hopefully your trust in me. And when you sign up in a business with me, it really does. It stokes the old fire that kicks off the ego. It makes me feel good. Okay, so every time someone signs up, or at least even if you get a hold of me to ask me a question, it makes me feel good that you value whatever my opinion is or my answer to you. Usually most people inbox me or use this thing. I keep messing with my keyboard. Okay, so one thing I just need to really stress, pre-launch means yes, get people to sign up as affiliates. You need to sign up as an affiliate. Get the $60 bill out. Or maybe 320s might be easier if you live in America. Okay, $19.97. All right, I know you have it. Spend it, invest it. Let's get your money back fast. Let's get people signed up right now. That way you're not out a penny, nickel, or a dime as far as the monthly. Okay, and that one-time 60. All right, we'll find you some savings where you're just going, oh man, I've saved a few $100, boom. My membership for the year is already bought and sold. But now we want to focus as affiliates. I am an affiliate marketer now. Okay, I laugh every time I realize I'm pretty darn good at this. All right, my background is radio, nightclubs, racing, showing off, screwing off, messing off, everything that ends in off. Man, I've done it all, okay? But I have a darn good time doing this type of business, okay? I've become pretty darn good at it. Okay, I'll show you my other opportunities. I'll show you how I generate this. I get traffic here. I'm all in accordance with any website, any type of spam issues. Okay, I know how to email properly. I know how to have my own capture page besides the one you get when you sign up with Save Club. I've got a massive team right now being built behind the scenes, and wait till you see what we got going on. Because if you sign up with me, you're going to have support. There's a better chance of you succeeding if you have a system. You need to be told what to do. It needs to be affordable, and you need to do it every day. Just like a Post-it note on the fridge. What do I need to do today? You know what a honey-do is? All right, all us guys, we know what the honey do. It's like, honey, will you do this? Honey, will you do this? Go mow the lawn. Go rake up the leaves. Okay, mow the lawn again. I don't like the lines are crooked. Honey, do. I believe if you have a system, something to follow daily, okay, and maybe you get up the same day or the same time. Hopefully you get up every day. But if you get up the same time, go to work. If you have kind of a built-in structure, okay, we need to just identify what time is best for you. Can you get up maybe a half hour earlier and just screw off a little bit, make a short little video, maybe write somebody something, okay? Or instead of watching a movie or doing things that you might be tinkering in the garage, guys, you put me in a garage, especially full of cars, bikes, trucks, I'll stay in there all day. And if you just shut the lights or the side windows off, I'll stay out there all night and all day. And if I don't see the sun coming up or down, okay, I'm really good at tinkering. Okay. But We need to let everybody know pre-launch means you sign up now as an affiliate and you earn money now. Sure, June 1st, you're going to hear that ready, set, go day. But guess what, guys? We're making money another 3 weeks. We got another 3 Fridays before. Okay? So, man, if you're watching, if you've already joined, no, you get out there, kid. You do your best to invite people to join you. You do whatever it takes. Give me another day or two. We got a nice system in place where I think you're going to go to a website and just follow some things. Just follow instructions. And if you like it, great. If not, maybe you have your own techniques. But I'm a big fan of systems. Everything I do, all the successful things I've done, not even just online, is a system. Okay? It's almost like forming hands. Okay, you do this. Okay, I got your back. Okay, boom, do this. All right, what do we do tomorrow? Okay, we have a list. Let's get up. Let's do it. Okay? I believe in a system, and I'm going to offer you a system. Okay? And you don't have to do it. And don't worry, half the stuff I do is free. This is not a bunch of money. Okay? There's one system that I'm a massive believer in, and I'll debut it in a day or two, but it's going to be about $20, and that is it. Because I need you guys to focus on how to recruit and use certain things and tools and software, whatever you got going on. But I need to have you set yourself apart, because in the next month, next 6 months, the next year, the same capture page is going to be used. Okay? We all have the same capture page. Okay? But we need to attract. We need to do other things. Okay? To make people pay attention. How many times do I wear bright clothing? Do you notice? Do you notice the background? I have it crazy on purpose. I know no one does videos like me. I use bright colors on purpose, guys. It gets your attention. When you scroll and you see my bright electric thumbnails that take me about 5 seconds to design, and when I wear stuff that's a little more bright, I do it on purpose. Okay, I want to just stick out. Even if I go like this on my video for 10 seconds, you know, I can get more attention than just somebody with a nice thumbnail that's like, hey, would you like to make money? I'd rather do a video like this, freaking the F out, going nuts. Okay? We need to show you how to get attention. Okay? How to be mysterious, how to be compelling, how to be interesting, how to be funny. Even if you're not. Okay? We're going to show you how, and you're going to like it. All right? You're going to learn to like it. You're going to have fun with Save Club. Okay? All right, guys, I'm at 12 minutes. Just sit back and relax, and then go, okay, I'm joining. I like it. $60, $19.97 a month. I can afford it. Okay, Cory, what's the next step? Okay, just relax, but not too long. Get yourself a drink, and then we're going to start getting you, and I'm going to do everything I can to help you start inviting people to your link. Mine is just ilovesaveclub.com. That's all I do all day, guys. I do these videos because it makes me feel like at least I'm doing something. But at the end of the day, there's all my work. ilovesaveclub.com. I'm going to show you how I got Vistaprint business cards for $20, how I bought ilovesaveclub.com from GoDaddy for $12.17, how I just put my email address at the bottom of the business card, and if someone brings it up on the street, I just hand the card out. I don't even talk about Save Club or my other opportunities. I want you to go and go to a capture page, and that's it right there. Okay, and in the next 3 to 6 to 9 months, everyone's going to be using the same capture page. All right? What we're going to do is come up with multiple ones that are even more interesting and fun, but they all lead to signups. Because if we all use this page day after day, month after month, year after year, it'll start fizzling out a little bit. Okay, this opportunity is designed to pretty much kick ass, in my opinion, in the next 3 years. Every year, we will probably sign up 1 million people. I can see us signing up 100,000 people every 30 days, worldwide. Okay? That means, yes, America, right over to the UK, rock in Asia, our friends down under in Australia and over in Africa. Okay? So you guys relax, but not too long, because June 1st is when it's ready, set, go. We've got about 24 days as of today. Today is, let's see, it's 5/6. It's May 6th of 2025, my computer just told me. So the next 3 weeks, let's get you in. Go ahead and fill out your information here. Click that orange little button. Let's get you locked in. Okay, we're going to take you to your website here. You're going to go ahead and just fill in your information, username, password. You're going to configure your credit card, how you're going to pay, and how you're going to get paid every Friday. All right, you're going to go to My Earnings. And you see that little button there that says Select Your Payment Plan? You're going to click it, and you're going to connect your bank or cryptocurrency. Okay, see these simple things I can help you do? Because if you just sit here, it's going to take you 2-3 days to kind of figure this out. You know, where's my link? Where's the link that I invite people to? Well, go to my websites, go to the bottom one. Right there, boom. My link is saveclubtour.com, Cory Draper. It's that one right there. But guess what? I don't use that boring link. I go ahead, boom. I get myself a domain name, GoDaddy, $12.17 out the door. And for free, they forward it to this page right here. Okay, this is all easy stuff for me to show you. That's what I mean about a system. Okay, a honey-do. We're going to have a honey-do list for you. You can call me honey. Okay, I'll even wear like a honey-colored shirt if I have to. Okay, but let's make this fun. Let's get you doing similar things every day so it's fun. It's not even work. And guys, when you start making money, you're going to freak out. It's really satisfying when you make your first membership sell. Okay, I had another one just happen about 10 minutes ago, and it feels good, guys. Right now, I'm just at half throttle, and on the leaderboard, it looks like I'm already, I forgot what number I am, number 15. Okay, look, I just hit the magic number 50. I think in the next month, I'll probably have 100 and something. Very exciting. And thank you. If you guys joined, thank you for trusting me and being a part of my team, my little group. Okay, and we'll have a good time. Let's take care of each other and make sure all of us follow through with a nice system, a nice technique, a nice little post-it note routine every day. Do the same thing and make it fun. Okay, I know you can do this. Okay, guys, thanks for your time. My 15 minutes, it ended a minute and a half ago, but yeah, I love to talk about Save Club. I'm a chatty little dude, but anyway, go to ilovesaveclub.com. Please just do that. Lock in. I'll see you when you pre-enroll and then upgrade to a full member. Okay, it's up to you. Sign up for the month, $19.95 a month. If you want to go ahead and pay the year, you're VIP and you get bigger commissions. Okay, so if you have a couple $100, go ahead and spend it now, and we'll do the best we can to get that money back fast by inviting people to click a link to watch a video and sign up with this great opportunity. All right, guys, YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. All right, peace and love, and get a hold of me if you need something. Cory at CoryDraper.com. I'm also easy to find on Facebook. All right, kids, take care. See you soon.